In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cut a section out of the middle of a song in CapCut. So you can cut a section out of the middle of any song that you want to use, and you can then drag it to the length of your clip. So let me explain how to do it. So first, you need to add a music track. So to do that, you need to go ahead and click on Add Audio, then go to Sounds, and then add your track. I'm just going to search for some non-copyright track that we can use for the video. So first you will need to download the track, then you can click on the plus icon and add the track. Now you'll notice when you add the track, it adds the whole track. So what do we do if we just want the middle of a track? So obviously you would play the track and find the section you want. So let's say we want to start it here where the beat kind of drops. Let's say we've played the track and we know what section we want. So we would find the starting point of our track that we want. This happens to be in the middle of the audio track. So we can click on the starting point on the audio track. We can click on split, and then everything to the left of this we don't actually want. So we can click on this left audio track. We can then click delete, and now we've just got the starting point. Now let's find the end point. So let's just say it happens to be here. We can click on split, and then we can delete the section to the right. So now we have a section from the middle of the song, which we can hold down and we can drag right over to our clip and put it exactly where it needs to go. Now you may notice that this doesn't exactly match with the timing of the video. So we could click and we could drag from the right to the end of the clip, or alternatively you can drag from the left if you wanted to. So that's how you can cut out the middle of a music track in CapCut.